experience more bliss when they bring Radharani with Krishna, because they know that Krishna likes Radharani most of all. She's the favorite Sakhi. They know that. But they know that Krishna likes variety, because each Sakhi has a particular bhav that she's distinguished by. So, like Madhya Bhav and Prakara Bhav and Dakshin Bhav. So, like Chandravali's Dakshin, she's a submissive lover, and Lalita's Prakara Pragalbhya, which means she's opposing, rough, and not so submissive. So it's a different type. Radharani's Dira Madhya. She's in the middle. She's not too heavy, not too light. Dira Madhya. So they have these characteristic bhavas which Krishna relishes. That's why the need for so many lovers. There's 360 types of Sakhis that are displaying different types of ratis, explaining Usul and Nilamani. There's 360 different types of Madhurya ratis and bhavas. So Sakhis, and each Sakhi exhibits one of those. So in other words, every day Krishna can relish, there's 360 days in a Vedic New Year, in a Vedic year. So every day you can relish a different bhava, a different Sakhi. So it goes on. So the mantris, they never accept the role of being Krishna's lover. The word mantri means flower bud. There's a flower, then there's a bud. The bud's not open. The bud's closed. The bee can't enjoy the bud. There's no nectar there. It's just closed. And then it opens. So the flower is open, the bud is closed. So mantri means a closed flower. It's a bud. So she's on the vine, on the Prem Lata true, Radharani's a Prem Lata true. On the vine, there's leaves,